Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the cockpit, so get to your ship and board it now. Once inside, you need to confirm your control bindings so view commands will register. Open the options if a button feels unresponsive and check the key or button assigned to change camera or cycle view. If you use a controller, note the right stick click or a dedicated button. On keyboard, it's often a single key. Once bindings are confirmed, keep your finger ready to cycle views as we proceed. Now cycle through the available camera modes by tapping the Change Camera control. You will move between first person, cockpit interior, and external ship view. Once done, try holding the same button or checking alternate inputs to reach cinematic or free camera modes, which let you frame shots farther from the hull. Make sure to open display or HUD settings to tweak FOV and HUD opacity so your screenshots look right. If you plan to record, set stabilization. Finalize by locking the view you want. Aim the camera, then take a screenshot or begin recording. If the camera refuses to change, first rebind the camera key and try again. Sometimes summoning another ship or reloading the save forces the camera system to reset. If issues persist, restart the game and verify your graphics drivers. This often clears visual glitches. As a last resort, gather your system info and submit a bug report with reproduction steps so the developers can fix persistent camera bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.